Hello children, good morning everybody. We are all in a new session today. We are all going to learn about a new lesson today. Do you know what is that? Do you know what is that? Did you all have breakfast before coming to the class? Yes, Kashvi, what breakfast you had? Oh good, she had bread and jam. Ishan, what breakfast you had, ma? He had dosa and I also had puri. What are all these things? Can anybody tell me? Kashvi had bread and jam, Ishan had dosa, I had puri. What are all these things? What we ate? What do we call them? Yes, we call them as food. We call them as food. Today in our second lesson of EVS, we are going to learn about the food. Okay children, why do we need food? Do you know? Now, see this? What is this? This is a toy car, right? Yes, this is a toy car. If we give some food to eat, will this toy car eat it? No, it won't eat. Why? Because, can anybody tell me why can't it eat the food? Yes, because it is not a living thing. Very good. Right? Now, if I call anybody and give you this to eat, what is this? Will you eat this? What is this? Yes, this is a mango. We all like to eat mangoes, right? Yes, children. So, this mango is a food or not? Yes, it is a food. Now, children, when I ask you why will the car not eat the food, you all said it is not a living thing, right? So that means all the living things need food. Yes or no? That everybody understood, right? All the living things need food. Now, why do you need food? Can anybody tell me? Yes, see this? Food helps us to live and grow. Now, we might have seen small babies, right? You were also a small baby when you were born. Now, you have grown up to a 7-year child and sitting in front of us. So, what happened? Because you are eating food and you are growing. Yes, you will all grow up like your mummy and daddy, right? Yes, children? Yes, for that you need food to live and grow. And food gives us energy. We all like to play a lot, right? So for this we need a lot of energy. Yes or no? Yes. Now if I give a ball to one child and ask him to throw it in the basketball, will he do that? Yes, he can do. Why not? If he has the energy to do that, he will do. But if I give it to a weak child who doesn't have any energy to do that, will he do? No, he will say, I don't have energy. I didn't eat anything. Right, children? So, food gives us energy to work and play. And now, the summer is going back and we are seeing little rain, right? Yes, children? When the weather is changing, we also change our food also. Like, in summer, we prefer to eat cold things. And in winter, we prefer to eat warm things. Yes or no? Like that, when the season changes, we change our food habits also. Why, children? Do you know? Shall I tell you? Because the food we eat also keeps us healthy. It all depends on the environment around us, what food we should take at that time. Okay, children, you understood? We will try to learn more about this by seeing the pictures. Shall we move on to our pictures, children? Yes? Get, set, go! Yes, children, shall we start to see the pictures? Yes, can you see all the different food items we eat? There are so many fruits and vegetables here. Shall we move on? Yes, as the teacher said in the beginning of the class, all the living things need food. Can anybody tell me what are the living things in the first picture? Pranav, can you tell me? Yes, cow, plants, trees. Here is a deer. All these animals, plants, trees, all living things in the first picture. Now in the second picture, can anybody tell me? This is a cute little family like yours, right? Yes, this boy also will eat the food and grow up like his father. Yes or no? Yes. Now shall we move on to the next picture, ma'am? Yes. See these children, just now I said you will also eat food and you will also grow up like your father. Yes. See, when you were born, you were a small, tiny little baby. After that, you have grown up slowly like this. Now you are like a very active 7-year-old child playing like very nicely. Okay, children, see, like this till we become old. We all live. Yes, we are all living things and we all grow also. Understood, children? See, from the tiny little baby to a grown up, we are living because of the food we eat. Shall we go to the next picture? Now see this picture, mom. Here, like you, there are so many kids, right? They are all doing different works. One boy is dressing himself, she is drying clothes, he is tying lace, she is reading, she is watering, he is playing. They are all doing so many works, right? See, this woman is like your mother. Like your mother does so many works, she is also doing so many works here. He is like your father. Like how your father help you and also do lots of works, he is also doing like that. So children, to do all these works and to play well, what do we need? We need energy. And where does we get energy from? We all get energy from the food we eat. Shall we move on, children? Yes. Can you see these pictures? What are they showing? They are showing we are strong. What is this picture showing? This picture is showing that they are healthy. And what this is showing? They are showing that we are all very active to jump, read and do all the naughty things. So for doing all these things, children, you need to be healthy. And food keeps us healthy. Remember that, children? Now shall we go to the next picture? Yes. Now we were all talking about the food, right? Where will we get our food from? Do you know? You don't know? Now I will explain you. See, where do we get our food from? That we call as sources of food. What do we call? Sources of food. Okay? We have two important sources of food. One is plants. The other is animals. Remember, children, now after this teacher will ask you some questions about the sources of foods. Okay, children? See this picture. The vegetables, fruits, cereals, pulses. All these things comes from plants. The milk, eggs, fish, meat. All these things comes from animals. Okay, children? So the food we eat comes from the plants and animals. You all listen carefully and remember to that, because today our fun time depends on the sources of food. You have to remember whatever teacher said, then only you can answer it. Now shall we go to the next picture? Yes, see this importance of food. We need food to live and grow. It makes us strong and healthy. It gives us energy. You understood, children, now why we need food? Okay, fine. Shall we go back to our board and play our fun time? Yes? Ready, get, set, go. Yes, children. See, we have learned that food helps us to live and grow. Food gives energy and food keeps us healthy. And while looking at the pictures, we have also learned about the sources of food. That we get few food from plant and the other food from animals, right? Now, today we do our fun time. I will show you some pictures and I'll call your name. You will tell me whether the food comes from plants or animals. Are you ready, children? Shall I show? Yes. What is this? See, children, what is this? Nidhi, can you tell me what is this? Milk. Very good. Now, can you tell me where do we get this milk from? Yes, very good. Cow gives us milk. So, cow is an animal. So, we are getting the milk from animal. So, the source of milk is animal. Understood, children? Now, you understood the meaning of source also, right? Now, I will show you another food item and you will tell me the source. Okay, children? Now, can you see this, children? There are, what are they here? Pranav, get up. You're sleeping, Pranav. Yes. Pranav, can you see this? Tell me what is there here? Yes, there are fruits and vegetables with the teacher now. Yes, fruit and vegetables. Where do we get all these things? Where do we get this mango from? Very good, mango tree. And where do we get these vegetables from? Different plants. So children, we get these fruits and vegetables from... Come on Pranav, again you are sleeping. Sit properly. Now answer the teacher. Yes, we get these from plants. Yes children, can you see this picture? Can you see this picture? What is this? Varshini, tell me what is this? This is a slice of bread. Yes, you are all opening your mouth. Shall I put it in your mouth? You all like to eat bread? You know children, this bread is made out of grains which we get from plants. Okay? Now can you see this? What is this? This is a bowl of rice. Where do we get rice from? Will we get it from animals? No, we get it from plants. Okay? And can you see this? What is this girl doing here? She is licking the butter. Yes? Yes, children, you all like to have butter. Now you tell me, where does this butter come from? Can anybody tell me where does this butter come from? No, that butter is made out of milk. That butter is made out of milk. So children, that butter also is an animal food. You understood children the sources of food now? Very good. Today what you will do, go home and check whatever food items are there in your home and ask your mother what is the source of that food. Will you ask them and you tell them this comes from this source. Yes, mama, milk comes from animals. Do you know? So the source of milk is animal. Okay children? Now you understood about the sources of food also, right? Okay, see you children. Bye. Take care. We shall meet in the next class.